The lighthouse. Rajiv and his father Madhav were very happy that day. Rajiv was especially thrilled because his father would take him out on a visit to the lighthouse. They started out in the evening by 5 pm and reached the shore by 6 pm. Madhav pointed out the lighthouse in the distance. It was a tall, strong building in the shape of a tower with powerful light at the top. Rajiv asked his father, Papa, what is the use of these lighthouses? Madhav said, they help the sailor to know where the land is and what the place they are near. Sometimes they are on the shore and sometimes in the sea. They are in the place which are dangerous to ships and they help to warn and guide the sailors. Rajiv was curious. He said, but how do they work? Madhav replied, modern lighthouses use powerful electric lights. Rajiv asked, but what about those days when there was no electricity? Madhav laughed. You are clever boy, my son. In olden days, wood fire would be lit in the high places on the shore. Later, a large number of candles were used with the glass around them to keep out wind. You know, Rajiv, in those days before lighthouses were built, sailors who got lost in the sea had no way of getting back to the land. They also had the danger of dashing against high rocks in the darkness in the sea or being unable to see which was a safe place to the land. These lighthouses guided them safely. Rajiv asked, Papa, when was the first lighthouses built? I don't know, my son, Madhav replied, but I believe that in the olden days many fishermen were lost in the sea and were unable to return home. The people on the land were worried and yet helpless to guide them. Then a group of clever young men hit upon this idea. They collected a few used logs and lots of dry branches and set fire to them. They were laughed at by elders, but they continued to keep the fire burning. In the early hours the next morning, the fishermen sailed home. They said that they had been guided from the land and saved only because of the light of this fire, which they had seen from a distance. Raju exclaimed, how clever of the humans. Madhav said, yes, now shall we go home after you have your favorite ice cream? Rajiv said, oh yes, Papa, thank you.